Yes, yo, Idol Maria Irma. Happy birthday. What's up? Sana ay marami pang kaarawan na darating sa buhay mo. At sana ay masaya ka sa araw na ito. Still good health. And God bless you always. Idol Maria Irma. Yes, yo. What? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ate Maria Irma. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, kahit masama pa yung pakiramdam ko, kumanta pa rin ako sa Ate Maria Irma. Ayan nga, happy birthday Ate Maria Irma. I wish na marami pang birthday ang darating sa'yo at palagi kang malusog ang pangangatawan. Ayan, happy birthday Ate Maria Irma. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to. Enjoy your day. Ayan, at sana marami pang subscriber ang darating sa'yo at marami pang super chatter ang darating sa'yo. Andito lang kami, nagmamahal sa iyo. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo din sa akin. Ikaw yung ate kong nakilala na talaga namang lahat ng mga tanong ko is sinasagot mo. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ate Maria Irma. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wala na akong masabi. Basta I love you. Mahal ka namin. Ikaw yung nakilala kong ate na fresh from the farm. Ayan. Happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung sasayawan kita. Happy birthday, Ate Maria Irma. I love you. God bless you. Mamua. Chup chup.
Happy birthday, Ate Irma. Kantahin ko yung favorite song mo. Medyo sad siya, pero favorite mo naman siya kahit birthday mo. Eto na, medyo pausan tayo ngayon. Ayan. I must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing that's left that we haven't tried to do. La la la. Hindi ko talaga. That we haven't tried before. So let's not bring the past back anymore. Alam mo ba, ang saya-saya ko kasi nakilala kita sa buhay ko. Ikaw talaga yung ate natin sa Team Halo-Halo. Lahat na yata. Nasabi ko na sa'yo, kahit hindi pa tayo isang taon nagkakilala, pero feeling ko parang ang dami mo nang alam sa buhay ko. At may alam din naman ako sa buhay mo. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Irma. Enjoy your day with your family. And I hope na maging successful ka sa YouTube career mo. And just make more friends and have fun. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. Ayan, it's me again. And Ate Maria Irma. Another greetings from me. Ayan. Happy birthday and keep it up whatever you have now, and kukuha na tayo ng sweldo sana sa susunod na buwan. Ayan, congratulations, nadagdagan na naman yung taon ng buhay mo, Ate Irma, and naway pagbigyan ka pa ng maraming araw, maraming taon, at magiging palaging healthy po kayo. Ayan, congratulations and happy as always, and ingat lang po tayo. And ito po si Gisela ang nagsasabi, hindi tayo sikat pero kailangan lang nating umungat.
Hello, Ate Maria Irma. Happy birthday, ate. More birthdays to come and more blessing pa ang dumating sa buhay mo. Good health always, and thank you for being a good ate to us. Enjoy your day, ate. We love you.
Guys, what's up sa inyong lahat dyan? So gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday ang aking ate na si Ate Maria Irma, guys. Thank you so much. up sa inyong lahat dyan? So gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday ang aking ate na si Ate Maria Irma guys. Yan, celebrate siya ng birthday ngayon. Magandang kaarawan sa iyo Ate Irma. Yan guys, napaka-budget na Ate Irma guys. Napaka-down to earth, napaka-matalungin na tao. Yeah, kung hindi nyo pa guys kadikit dyan si Ate Irma guys, please naman, dikitan nyo na. Yeah, napaka-matalungin yan guys. And siya yung tao na nakilala ko sa YT na parang alam mo yung pwede mong sabihan ng mga yung mga kung ano-ano sa buhay. Not only regarding sa YouTube, kahit yung mga tungkol sa buhay-buhay. Yeah, maano mo yan, maaasahan mo yan si Ate Irma. At maganda rin niya mag-advise. So, yan, shoutout sa iyo Ate Irma. Happy birthday sa iyo. I wish you all the best. Sana good health lang lagi. Huwag maging wakwak. Pahinga din pag may time. So, yun, importante ang ating kalusugan. Yan, pahinga din pag may time ha. So yun nga, more candles to blow, more cakes to slice, and I wish na sana masaya ka po ngayong araw ng inyong kaarawan with your family, and God bless you always po. And once again, happy birthday Ate Maria Irma. Mwah! Chum! Babus! Thank you for being a good friend in YT, Ate Irma.
Hello guys, and good morning po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ay gusto ko lamang pong batiin ng happy birthday ang isa nating ka-teammate sa YT at na napaka-supportive at sobrang bait. Talagang siya ang number 1 sa palagay ko, number 1 napaka-supportive sa team na po. Yan po ay walang iba kundi po si Maria Irma. Kaya palakpakan po natin. Happy birthday po sa iyo. And sana po ay huwag ka magbabago hanggang sa tayo ay maabot natin yung tagumpay sa pag-YT o kahit saan mang bagay. So muli po, happy birthday po sa iyo, Miss Maria Irma. Huwag niyo po siyang kalilimutan. Dahil po dyan, ikaw po ay handugan namin ng isang awitin para po sa ito.
I always thought you were the best. Guess I always will. I always thought that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be someone who understands me, who knows me inside out, helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be you. When we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be you. One who understands me, knows me inside out, helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt where I could move a mountain and want to tell it to you. If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be you.
Happy birthday kay Maria Irma. Happy birthday, Maria Irma.
Maria Irma, yan. Happy birthday. God bless po sa inyo and wish you all the best po.
Hello, Mama Irma. Happy birthday, you. Salamat sa support. Mama Mima. Love you, Mama Mima. Happy birthday, you. Bye.
Madam Maria Irma, hello to you and happy birthday to you, Madam. Siya yung napaka-supportive friend. Tuwing nag-LS ako, nandyan yan siya, maski na sa oras ng trabaho yan. Nandyan siya yung parang gusto mo siya maging true friend, gusto mo siya maging kaibigan. Nandyan siya. Tsaka, gusto ko yung boses niya pag nag-LS siya. Oo, nakikinig naman. Parang, ang ano niya magsalita, yung parang, alam mo yung, masarap pakinggan sa tenga yung kanyang voice. Ayan, Madam, happy birthday sa iyo at sana stay connected. Ayan, sana sana magkaroon ng chance na magkita tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much sa suporta and happy birthday sa iyo, Madam. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Maria Irma. Thanks for being a good friend and also you're very supportive. Salamat sa lahat ng support mo, sa mga tamsamatic mo, sa lahat. Salamat. At ako'y sobrang blessed na makilala ka. And knowing you deeper sa iyong family, thanks for sharing your life to us. Yung pagbabike mo, thanks for being an influencer, hindi ka lang YouTuber. You are also an influencer, especially na influensyahan mo ko na bumili ng bike. And malapit na yun. So, Miss Maria Irma, thanks for being a good friend to us, and alam ko malayo mararating mo dahil napakabuti mong tao. Pagpalain ng Diyos ng iyong kalusugan, kaingatan at ang iyong buong pamilya. At lahat pa ng pangarap mo ay iyong makamit sa tulong ng Panginoon. Keep the faith and always trust the Lord with all our hearts. God bless you, Miss Maria Irma, and a happy birthday to you. God bless.
Hi, Sisi Maria Irma. I just wanna wish you a very wonderful birthday. More happiness and more blessings to come in your life. And thank you so much for being one of my supportive friends in YouTube world. I am happy that I met you and hope you have a blast and enjoy your day. Take care always. Bye.
Hello, Miss Irma. I'm here to greet you a super duper happy birthday. I want to say happy birthday. Happy 25th birthday. Char lang, pero alam ko, young looking ka pa. So, happy birthday, Miss Irma. And thank you always for always supporting me. Kahit minsan nalilate ako sa pag-support sa'yo. But anyway, it's your birthday today. Have fun and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, my friend!
Grabe, fresh na fresh. Fresh from the farm, batang-bata. Happy birthday sa'yo, ate. God bless and more power. And especially sa lahat ng mga family mo, always ingat po tayo palagi. And good health lang tayo palagi, ate. And maraming salamat din sa palaging suporta mo. Ilang taong ka na? Happy birthday sa'yo, ate. God bless. Maraming salamat lagi sa suporta.
Hello, Maria Irma. Hello. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. And happy long life to your family. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Ikaw ang kauna-unahang nakilala ko sa YT, sa kay Tatay Sam. Lagi ka nakasupport sa akin. Hindi ko talaga makalimutan yan hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Dahil sa'yo nakilala ko yung Team Halo-Halo, tsaka yung Global, tsaka yung Explorer. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Sister Maria Irma. Happy birthday. More power to your channel. Sana lahat pa ng nais mo, makamit mo. Wish ko sana makapasok ako sa member mo. Yun ang gusto kong gawin soon. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello to your family. A lovely family. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, Ate Maria Irma, happy birthday sa'yo. I love you very much. Alam mo yan. Alam ko na hindi na lang tayo magkakaibigan dahil sa YouTube. Alam kong we are friends dahil talagang magkakaibigan na tayo. Ayan. Shout out nga pala sa aming mga kaibigan dyan. Manoy MB, of course, Kuya Kevin Adamas Vlog. At lahat, Kimi Perelka, mega shout out. Thank you so much, Ate Maria Irma, sa support mo. Hindi bilang isang ka-YouTube, kundi support mo bilang isang truly kaibigan talaga na walang sawang sumusuporta sa amin. Happy birthday sa'yo, Ate Maria Irma, and hep hooray!
Maria Irma, this is MB Survivor. Ayan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa napakagandang ilaw na may, puno na may ilaw. Nandito si MB Survivor para patingin ka ng happy birthday. Ayan. Sana lagi kang nasa magandang kalusugan ng iyong pamilya. At syempre sa ngalan ni Merce Vlog, ayan, pinapatay ka rin po niya ng happy birthday. At sa YT naman, sana lumago pa at dumami pa ang ating mga kaibigan sa YT World at maraming revenue dumating. So, from Halo Team, this is MB Survivor. Maligayang karawan and good health always. Tita.
Birthday po, Tita Maria Irma. I wish you love, hope, and everlasting joy and happiness. I hope your birthday is as sweet as the cake and the year to follow is filled with as much joy as you bring your friends. And yun lang po. God bless po always and ingat po kayo lagi and good health always. And yun.
Hi Ate! Hello Ate Irma! Happiest birthday po! Happiest birthday po sa inyo! I hope you're celebrating your birthday with all your loved ones and close friends. These greetings is from USA! I love you po Ate and wishing you all the best. Wishing you happiness, good health, and away from harm. Stay safe po and ingat po lagi. And may God bless you on this special day and always. Again, happiest birthday po and enjoy. Thank you so much Ate for always supporting me and I love you. Ang lamig dito kaya naka-bonnet ako dito sa loob. So, I wish you happiness today on your birthday, Ate. Ate, magpadala ka ng arroz caldo dito. Joke lang! Enjoy po sa inyong birthday! Bye!
Hello, Mama Maria Irma. How are you? Kumusta ka na ngayong araw na to? Ayan, today is your special day. So, I wanna greet you a happy birthday to you. And God bless you. More blessings to come. And take care of yourself always so that more birthdays to celebrate for the coming years. Yeah. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to you for the love and support to unity and diversity. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Maria Irma. You are not only beautiful, but you are beautiful inside and out. Maraming salamat po. I'm glad and thanks God that nakilala kita, Ma'am Maria Irma. Enjoy your day today and God bless you and the whole family. I love you, Ma'am Maria Irma. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, what's up, Sister Maria Irma? I met you around maybe a year ago in YT World. So anyway, I'm glad that I met you. It's nice being one of your friends. Anyway, it's your birthday today. So I just wish you a happy birthday. Today is the day that you enjoy yourself. Anyway, I know there's so many of us in our YT groups, but I'm glad that I'm one of the lucky one that you always support me all the way, no matter what, even though I can't get into all your live stream always because sometimes you do it early in the morning here in Canada. But again, anytime I do my live stream or I have upload and you're always there for me. Anyway, and thank you so much for that. Again, happy birthday, enjoy your day. Don't drink too much, don't eat lots. Food is always good. Drink, maybe not. And anyway, thumbs up to you. I don't know how old you are, but happy birthday to you. My sister Maria Irma.
Maria Irma, happy birthday. Ayan, ang lola mo galing sa initan. Wala na makeup, ubos na. So, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I wish na lalo ka pang magtagumpay sa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Ayan. I'm always here for you. Damayan ka, andito lang ako always. Ha? I love you. I know you're a very strong woman and alam ko malayo pa ang mararating mo at kasama ang iyong pamilya, mga anak, asawa. Ayan. I love you, Sisi, in YT. Ayan. Kahit na hindi tayo nagkita, alam ko napakabuti mong tao. Napakabuti ng puso mo. I love you always. Enjoy your day. Today's your very special day. Big day. Ayan. I love you. Happy birthday, Queen Maria Irma.
Hello, Sisi! First of all, gusto ko munang mag-thank you sa'yo sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa channel ko. And kahit na alam kong busy-busy ka sa trabaho mo, pero meron ka pa rin time na pag-support sa channel ko. And alam ko naman na hindi lang sa akin, kundi marami kami na sinusuportahan mo. Kaya maraming salamat. And of course, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami pang birthdays and blessings na dumating sa life mo and good health sa'yo and mag-iingat ka lagi. God bless!
Hi Ate Maria Irma! Happy birthday sa'yo! Ayan, more birthday to come sa'yo and more blessing to come to you dahil deserve mo yan. Ayan, marami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo, marami kaming masaya sa'yo ngayong araw na to. Gawin mo ang lahat ng makapagpapasaya sa'yo ngayong araw na to, ate. Ayan, dahil deserve mo yan. Grabe, napaka-supportive mo. Sinisimula pa lang nung una yung sa akin sa pag-support mo. Pati na rin sa aming lahat ng mga kaibigan mo. Grabe talaga. Ayan, kaya deserve mo talaga ang lahat-lahat. Ayan, ibabalik sa'yo ni Lord yung mga blessing na binibigay mo sa mga ibang tao. Ayan. Kaya happy birthday ulit, ate. We love you.
Hello, Maria Irma. May ipapakita ko sa'yo ito. Maganda to. Ito. Please watch. Ay, mali pala. sorry. Please watch. Bali mo ngayon naman na. Lyrics na siya. Sabi mo lang happy birthday Maria Irma. Maganda. Sige ako na lang. Kasi sabihin ko sa kanya happy birthday Maria Irma. Ganun ko lang. Yung pinagkita rin everything. Ako naman. Tina. Go. Karaoke. Happy birthday Maria Irma. Ako na naman magsasabi sa kanya. Si Vince yan. Kaya naman siguro. Pinili ka namin. Birthday mo. Wala kang pansit. Wala kang spaghetti. Wala kang Shanghai. Puto. Uy. Bahala ka dyan. Alis na mo din. Gusto mo na. Tawa kayo na. So, happy birthday Maria Irma. Ayan. Let's go.
Hello, Maria Irma. Happy birthday to you. I wish you more birthdays to come, and I hope you have the best celebration of your birthday. I'd like to thank you for your support to my channel and to our group's channels. I know you're there all the time, making sure all the live streams and premieres are shared to the Facebook group. And I hope to see more videos coming from you. And I wish you more luck with your audience and with your viewers. And I hope you're gonna get your 5,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. Who knows, this year or next year. And of course, we will end this greetings with a birthday song. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday nga pala sa napakaganda at batang-bata at fresh from the farm na si Maria Irma. Yun, ang wish ko po sa inyo ay sana po ay umaba pa po ang inyong buhay. At syempre naman ay good health. At higit sa lahat ay masayang-masaya po ako dahil umabot po kayo sa ganyang edad. Yun, at happy birthday po ulit sa iyo. Pretty Maria Irma.
Hello, Maria Irma, si Luna Nani. Hindi ko natandaan, Maria Irma, kung saan tayo nakakilala. Pero kung di ako nagkamali, siguro kay Explorer Udang o kaya kay Explore City Escape. Ano man yun, ang importante, nakilala kita bilang isang kaibigan sa White World na napaka-supportive mo. Sana huwag kang magbago. Ang wish ko sa iyo o ang aking kahilingan para sa iyong kaarawan, nagkaroon ka ng mabuting kalusugan, ligtas sa iyong magkapangatan, at siyempre higit sa lahat magkaroon ng mahabang buhay. At sa iyong channel naman, sana ay magkaroon din ng maraming trendings ang iyong mga video. Yamang yun ang mga inaasam-asam natin, di ba? Hindi man dahil doon sa revenue, kundi siyempre isang kagalakan yun, di ba, na magkaroon tayo ng trendings, di ba? Wow, di ba? Ngayon, naawitan kita. Kahit ng isang maiksing awitin lamang. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maria Irma. Hello everyone, this is Aga Samlen TV. On this day, I want to greet a happiest birthday, Sis Maria Irma Villaflor Castro, my high school and college mate, and also my co-YouTuber. Sis, I wish you more birthdays to come, more cakes to cut, and candles to blow. As YouTuber, continue your journey. We were here to support you always. More power and good luck to your channel. God bless you more. I love you, sis. Mwah. I love you.
Yon, good morning, welcome back. It's me, Trip Nicolas. So, parang mag-unbox lang ha. Hindi, joke lang. So, yun. Today is hindi ako mag-unbox or whatever or magre-review because ang gagawin ko ngayon is special greetings to Ate Irma, Maria Irma, and Ma'am Irma. Parang ang dami, parang tatlo ha. Hindi, pero mas gusto ko yung Ate Irma para intense ang dating, di ba? Para malupit. So yun, before nga pala, before ko makalimutan, of course may lang naman to. So on behalf of Nimbi ko, gusto ka lang namin i-greet ng isang happy birthday, and then magpasalamat na rin sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin. And of course, ang wish namin sa iyo is more birthdays to come, of course, and yun, good health, yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Since health conscious ka naman, madalas ka mag-bike, yan. So yun, I hope na yun, pagpatuloy mo lang para syempre medyo mahirap na. Don't forget to yun, magdasal at magpasalamat lagi para di ba, hindi tayo nakakalimot. And I hope na sana marami pang birthday ang dumating. Okay? So yun, that's it. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Hello Ma'am Irma, Maria Irma. Ayan,
I would like to greet you a happy birthday para sa iyo Marima by Mr. Nice Guy Official. Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil nakilala kita dito sa YT World na napaka very supportive naman talaga ni Maria Irma, ni Ma'am Irma sa lahat ng mga premier ko, LS ko, nandun siya at hindi siya nawawala. Maraming salamat sa suporta mo and deserve mo all the blessings na meron ka ngayon. And sa iyong birthday, ang wish ko lang is more blessings pa and stay as you are and keep it up. Ayan, sa yung channel, good luck sa yung channel, more achievement pa sa yung channel, more blessings to come and always be happy lang at sana maging masaya lang yung kaarawan mo and always remember that Mr. Nice Guy is always here to support you. So once again, happy birthday Maria Irma or Ma'am Irma. Thank you so much and bye.
Happy birthday and I wish you all the best and I'm so happy for you kasi mas lalong dumami ang friends mo nang mag-join ka dito sa YouTube and more blessings to come. Again, happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your birthday with your family, with your friends, and of course with YT friends at kasama kami doon nila Don Rudy Boxing and Agasam Len TV. And I want you to congratulate also kasi alam ko nag 1 year ka na rin dito sa YouTube. And thank you so much sis for your support at more power to your channel. And again, happy birthday and I love you my friend. Keep safe.
Ayan, ako nga pala si Tatay Hefty ng YT. Ayan, at nandito ako para batiin kita ng happy birthday. Maria Irma, ayan, happy birthday. Ilan taon anak? Ayan. Happy birthday. Ayan, at sana ay lahat ng iyong mga gustong gawin sa buhay, ayan, ma-achieve mo at Maria Irma. Ayan, at ilang taon na anak? Ayan. Wish ni tatay sa iyo ay ano, good health. Ayan, at more birthday to come. Maraming salamat lagi na sa support ni tatay ha. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ayan, happy birthday Maria Irma anak. Thank you sa support. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Ayan, love you.
How do you spell support? If you're going to ask me, I'm going to spell it M-A-R-I-A-I-R-M-A. Yes, that is the best word to describe this woman. Bakit? Alam ko na alam nyo na kahit saang mang LS yan, kahit saang mang premiere yan, or kahit uploads lang, talagang nandoon siya. So, that is the best word to describe her. Sis Maria Irma, happy birthday and wishing you all the best. And one more wish, sana lahat ng mga wishes nila for you matupad. Bye! Mwah.
She won't get again. Running on talk about the face. two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. One day to know, someday they'd meet again and need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time they'll be loved, they'll mind. Maybe now they can be more than friends. She's second this life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time the world knows. Yahoo! You are the one who makes me happy when everything starts to break. Yahoo! No more nights and sends me up to the day. You are the crowd that's just sparking. There's me to me, and all the nonsense that I made. You are one of my feelings. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you?
Hello, sis Maria Irma. Happy birthday to you. May the God will bless you more and give you a good health all the time. I thanks God for sharing your life to me, and I'm so happy that you are my friend. Again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Ako, Tita Irma, happy birthday po sa inyo. Ay sana maging happy po kayo ng araw na ito. At sana more birthdays sa kampo po. Love you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Maria Irma. Ayan. Thank you po. At naisali ako dito. Ayan, happy birthday. At saka, thank you for being my friend here in YouTube. Join me. Ayan. Salamat din kay Kuya Dino at saka kay Kuya Steven dahil sa kanila nakilala ko na. Ayan. Ate Maria Irma, sana I wish ko lang po na good health ka at ang iyong family safe every day and more subscriber, more banana to come, and more sahod kay YT. Ayan. At dahil sa akin, hinanda ako sa'yo. Kailangan ikaw ang mag-go. Tada! We have ice cream. Happy birthday! Ayan. Mag-wish ka na po. In 1, 2, 3. Alright! Happy birthday, ate! Thank you, ulit! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday. And good health. Keep safe with your family. Bye!
Dahil birthday nyo ngayon, ang prayer ko sa inyo ay patuloy kayong i-bless ni Lord ng mas masaya, mas masagana, mas matagumpay, at mas mahabang buhay. Patuloy na ibigay ni Lord yung mga desires ng inyong heart. At ang favor ni Lord ay laging nasa inyo. Happy birthday!
Oh yay! Happy birthday, Maria Madam Irma! Enjoy your day and have fun! I'm so blessed kasi nakilala kita sa mundo ng YT World at napaka-supportive mo sa amin, sa iba at sa lahat. Wish ko sa iyo, sa iyong kaarawan, more blessings to come, good health also, and tulog-tulog din pag may time ha. At saka napaka-generous mong tao dahil sa mga
napapanalunan mo sa WH, pinamimigay mo pa sa mga friends natin sa YT World. I'm so blessed kasi nakilala kita, Madam Maria Irma. And salamat sa iyo sa iyong suporta, and God bless you more. Wish ko sa iyong channels is more growth, more revenues, more views, at more subscribers to come. God bless, Madam Irma. Ayan o, violet na violet. Para sa iyo talaga to. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayun. Alright, so it's another year, Madam Irma. Yes. And again, naging kaibigan kita ng matagal-tagal na rin. Isa ka rin sa mga naging admin na rin hanggang ngayon ng Team Explorer. Kukunin ko na rin itong pagkakataon na to na magpasalamat sa iyong mga walang kumpay na suporta. May forever sa support, guys. Oo. Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng forever na support, guys, ay naku, dikitan nyo si Madam Irma, and at the same time, kaibiganin nyo yan. Yes, guys. Madam Irma, again, maraming salamat for giving me the chance na bumati sa'yo, magbigay ng message sa'yo, although ang dami na nilang mga wishes. So, same with my wishes as well. Ayun. Ang tamad-tamad eh, no? But yes, of course, more growth, ayan, to your channel. More health, ayun. More blessings, ayun. And love life, yes, dapat magkaroon ng very peaceful na love life. Ayan. Yes, guys. And again, Madam Irma, one thing na it strikes me is that yung pagkakaibigan natin, kahit na busy ka, busy ako, may tanong ka, hindi ako nakakasagot agad sa PM mo dahil nga busy ako. Pero isa ka sa mga creator na kung saan nakakaintindi kung ano ba talagang ginagawa na Explore Sweet Escape, bakit hindi agad sumasagot sa mga PM. Ayan, kasi alam na ni Madam Irma na marami po tayong natatanggap na mga PM na tungkol sa mga AdSense, YouTube issues. Ayan, isa po siya na maintindihing tao. Ayun. Pero syempre, nasasagot din naman natin yan within 3 days. Charot. 3 days. Oo. But again, we love you very much, Madam Irma. Thank you very much for being a nice friend, for being engaged with Team Explorer. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Thank you, and you too, take care. I love you very much. Goodbye, Madam Irma.
Hello. Hi everyone, welcome back to Maria Irma's YouTube channel, and this is Aya Vlogs, and would like to greet Maria Irma a happiest birthday, and thank you so much, sis, for being so very nice and very supportive friend here in our YouTube community, and I wish you the best, healthy lifestyle, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. See you.
Hi, it's Daddy and
Mommy. We're just here to say happy birthday to our friend
Teacher Irma.
Happy birthday, our friend. I hope you have a blast and God bless you always. We missed you. Talk to you soon.
Bye. Subscribe. Bye. Hi, Daddy and
Mommy. We are just here to say
happy birthday, Teacher Irma.
yes, hooray! It's another birthday to our friend Maria Irma. Thank you so much, guys. Please support our friend. Not only today, because today is her birthday, but of course, check out her channel, subscribe, and like.
And share, subscribe.
Thank you, guys. Miss you.
Miss you.